Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, November the 19th, 2022. Yes, let me show you. It's the Saturday edition, November the 19th, 2022. Yes, we have not so good news because we have only two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Sudoku Medium, and we have here an regular Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. So only two regular puzzles, and we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you what I will do. Yeah, this edition is about the World Championship soccer. So yeah, there's no space for the extra puzzles. Well, let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do is the edition of yesterday, I believe, the Friday edition. We have three puzzles left. I will solve those three puzzles today, and tomorrow on Sunday we have also no newspaper. I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Yeah, the Thursday edition. I believe there are three puzzles left. And if I have the spare time, yeah, then I will do the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. But first, let me start with this medium Sudoku. Yes, medium Sudoku number 5505. Yeah, 5505. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 26 printed digits, if we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Then. Let me see. 9. Okay. 7. 3. I need to scan. We have a pair. The 3 and a 5 in the last row. The 3 and a 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. 5. Okay. 6. We have a 6 here. Yeah. One of these 3 boxes in this big square. We need a 6 in this big square, and one of these 3 boxes must be a 6. So we have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes, okay, in this row. So in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6, but we have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the second column, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Okay. Alright. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 2 in the last column, the 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Alright. Okay. We have here 7 in the last column. 7 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column, last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then. Let me see. How about? Come on. 7 and 8. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 8, 9 and a 3. Do missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So the other pair in this big square autonomous, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. There are 3 missing numbers now in this column, the set column. Those missing numbers are, here we have a 1 and 2. The 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 8 and 3, 8 and 3. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then, let me see. Yeah. No one. Need to think. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, don't need to. Oh, we have a pair. The 4 and the 9 in the first row. The 4 and the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this middle column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4. It goes there. Then 4. Think. 9. Alright. 1, 2, 7 should be here. 9 and a 3. So the 3 should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. The middle row, one of the missing numbers is 3. Well, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in the middle row could be here, could be there. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then, yeah, we have a 7 there, but they need a 7 here. I'm thinking. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be an 8. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. Then. Yeah. 8 and a 1. Complicated. Come on. 1 and 3. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this row, the third row. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And look, we have 3 in this column, third column. So no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Right. 1. 7, 8, and 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Here, 2 in this middle row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Here we have 1 and a 2. Need to wait. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 1 and then 9. 8 and 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. 1 box left in this row, middle row for number 1. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now in this last row, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Yes, indeed. It's a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, we do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And later on in the evening, I will continue with the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Or Friday, yes. Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. And see you later. Bye-bye.